Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very brutal day on GME. I mean, a nasty, nasty gap and trap, meaning that on Wednesday, the price closed there. And then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. But then as soon as the opening bell rang, I mean, to think that there was a bunch of poor souls buying all around that area. And then the price just basically dropped and dropped the rest of the day. So nasty gap and trap today. Definitely a lot of updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of these lines here. Yes, both those levels still do pertain, but in order to just try to keep this analysis as clean and straightforward as possible, like I said, I just don't want to risk having lines and clutter everywhere. But the first key update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 175 is now going to be that main area of resistance. So if the price does try to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the first big question mark resides, is can the price have enough strength to get above and stay above 175? Not necessarily just get up to 175, but break above it and then stay up above it. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that. If the price can break through the 175 mark, then the next immediate level you would want to turn your attention to is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valid at right around the 181 mark. But let's just call that 180 to keep it simple. So 175 and then 180 going to be the two main areas of resistance. Like I said, assuming there is any sort of, continued bounce in the upwards direction. As far as supports are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here at all. Literally just a question of where did the bleeding finally stop today? And it finally stopped down there at the 164.50 mark. So 164.50 going to be that main battleground from the support side of things to watch. But overall, yeah, rough day today. Very nasty gap and trap, but still one day left on the week, so we'll see how this all plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.